Okay.
I'm Bubba, and I'm 8, and I made this. So I'm gonna take this marble, and it's gonna roll down here. It's gonna keep going down through this, and it's gonna roll through the tube. And it's gonna fall down here and go through this tube. And there's this little track there, and it's rolls down here, goes through the funnel, goes to this funnel, and it rolls down the Hot Wheels track, and it hits these, which makes a ball roll down here. It keeps going. It goes through here, and it rolls down here, and it hits this one, which makes it go up. There's a metal ball there, which rolls down the Hot Wheels track, and there's a little pipe here, and there's more Hot Wheels track, and it rolls down that, and it knocks out a little building. That's the thing. So here we go. There.
Okay. All right.